This is my 2017 Volkswagen Golf GTI, and I noticed there are thousands of water spots on the paint. So today, I'm going to show you what water spots are, how they are formed, and how to get rid of them.
Wait, who the f are you? Get the f out, give me my glasses. Here in LA, we have extremely hard water, which means there's a lot of minerals like sodium, calcium, and fluoride dissolved in the water. While these minerals are good for you, they're not very good for your paint. When the water dries on your paint, the minerals stay on there and the water evaporates, leaving these ugly white spots. The first thing you're going to want to do is get some 50-50 water and Automotive soap mixed in a spray bottle and spray it on your paint before you apply the vinegar. This is to act as a lubricant and prevent you from making swirls on your paint. You spray that one time, just like that, and then all you do is get your vinegar, spray that about 3 to 5 times over the Automotive soap, take a microfiber cloth and wipe in straight lines on the paint. This is to prevent swirls. Keep in mind, if your water spots are really bad, you're not going to get them all off on the first pass, so repeat this process until you get all the water spots off. Unfortunately, the vinegar will strip off some of your wax, so you're going to have to wash and re-wax the car when you're done. Now that we're all done getting rid of the water spots, we're going to start washing the car. Well, that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for new weekly automotive reviews, news, and how-tos that you can use. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at CarVisionLA for news, updates, exclusive content, and giveaway notifications. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.